How to hide Snapchat score. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Can you really hide a Snapchat score? Let's find out. To begin with, tap open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in and your application is up to date. To see your Snapchat score, just click on the bit emoji icon. Over here, you should find your Snapchat score. Your Snapchat score increases when you send a snap or view a snap from your friends or add to your story. It reflects how many snaps have you sent, reviewed, or viewed of others. So here's the deal. If you wish to hide your Snapchat score, sadly as for today you won't be able to do so. This is because this is one of the special features from Snapchat. However, we can wait for an update where we'll be able to manage or hide our Snapchat score. Until then, make sure your Snapchat is up to date so that you can be up to date with the latest updates as well. In order to do so, just tap open your Play Store. Search for Snapchat. If there is an update button, just tap on update and wait for your application to be up to date. And it's a wrap for the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.